The diary's hidden treasure. Rain fell softly against the window as Clara opened the dusty wooden chest. Deep inside, under a pile of woolen blankets, lay a thick leather notebook. Its pages were yellowed with age, holding quiet secrets from a forgotten time long ago. When she turned the heavy cover, a small metal object slipped out and landed on the floor. It was a brass pea, small and strangely heavy. It felt cold in her hand, polished smooth by years of hiding inside the pages. Clara traced the intricate patterns carved into the dark metal. A single sentence was written on the page where it fell. To find the truth, look where the sun first touches the garden. Her heart beat with a sudden excited curiosity. She walked out into the misty morning air toward the overgrown backyard. High stone walls surrounded the garden, covered in thick green ivy. She watched carefully as the morning sun slowly warmed the eastern corner of the old brick wall. Hidden behind the dense leaves, Clara spotted an ancient wooden door. The wood was dark and weathered by time, nearly hidden from the world. A small keyhole glinted softly in the early light, waiting patiently for its missing piece. With trembling fingers, she placed the heavy brass key into the lock. It turned with a satisfying click, and the heavy door opened slowly. A gentle breeze blew through, smelling of old paper, sweet dried flowers, and summer memories. Inside was a cozy room filled with wooden shelves and old books. Soft light drifted through a small round window, illuminating dust floating in the air like tiny stars. This was a private place created for deep thoughts and quiet dreams. On a small table sat a finished painting of the house, signed by her grandmother. Clara smiled, finally understanding the true purpose of the secret space. It was a peaceful sanctuary built to escape the noisy world and create beautiful art. She realized that the best treasures in life are not made of gold or silver. They are the quiet places and happy memories left behind by the people we love. True magic often waits in the places we forget to look. What hidden memory from your family's past would you love to discover today? Please share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to join us for our next cozy English story.